In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Zoho on a Windows computer. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a little guidance with this process, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and make sure you have everything you need to get started efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to your favorite search engine, like Google. Simply type in Zoho and hit enter. You'll see a list of results related to Zoho's extensive suite of business applications. Look for the link that says Zoho Cloud Software Suite for Businesses. This will take you directly to the Zoho homepage, where you can explore all the necessary features and options. Once on the Zoho homepage, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find a button labeled Access Your Apps. Click it, and this will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the available applications Zoho provides. Here, you'll be able to see various products and solutions tailored to fit different business needs. Scroll down a bit, and you should notice a section for desktop apps. Click on that, and this is where you can specifically explore apps you can download to your desktop environment. To further refine your search, click on Explore All. This will give you a broader view of all the desktop applications available for download. Now that you're in the right section, it's time to filter down to the apps available for Windows. You can do this by selecting Windows under the filter options. This ensures that the list you're looking at includes only those applications that are compatible with your Windows system, which streamlines your selection process. Browse through the filtered list and select any app of your choice. Zoho offers a wide range of applications, from CRM and projects to accounting and email, so think about what you specifically need. Once you've picked the app you're interested in, click on it. This action takes you to its respective download page. After you've landed on the download page for your chosen application, follow the instructions provided on the setup screen. This might involve downloading an installer file. Ensure that you save the file in a location easy for you to access on your computer. Once downloaded, open the installer file and proceed through the setup steps. Be sure to read any prompts carefully to customize the installation to your preference. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have Zoho installed on your Windows computer, ready for you to use. Zoho's suite of software offers robust tools for various business needs, making it a versatile addition to any setup. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Happy exploring with Zoho.